guys, welcome back to Experiential Learning.
We got a beehive.
Yes, we got a flow hive and we got some bees. Now we're going to show you how to install a nuke.
We have no idea.
Correct.
So we got 10,000 bees and a beehive trying to
They said 10,000 to 100,000, so we're not sure.
Make honey, but never done it before. Just watch other YouTube videos. So we got this thing called a flow hive, which is supposed to make it really easy.
Do you mind holding, Ranger? I don't want it to stick its head in there.
So yeah, hopefully this goes well. Oh man, that is a lot of bees.
Don't kill me.
Very sauce, slowly and gently. Ranger.
I just got stung on my leg.
The dog's trying to bite me. The dog got stung. No. I'm just gonna slowly walk away. I think that's the best thing to do. And I'll just watch her do it. I mean, it's her beehive, so it seems like the dog's just having a ball.
This is painful. I've gotten stung like 3 times. Don't fly out, don't fly out, don't fly out. I need you. There's the queen. Now I'm gonna get a close-up shot on the queen. She's right there.
Oh yeah, right there in the...
Good thing she's in here, so now...
Ow! It wasn't a bee, I just thought it was a bee, so it made it hurt more.
Oh, Ranger's nose.
Oh, the dog got a bee sting on his nose. Just, hey, shh, easy,
Calm.
gentle. This is not working out as planned.
It is not, but the queen's in there, so they can't leave.
Okay.
Here, let me just back
You
away
have
slowly.
2 more, honey bun.
I know, but my leg hurts.
I know, it's okay.
Give me a second, I'm feeling the pain.
I'm not sure that this was one of our brightest ideas. I think maybe getting shot by a slingshot into a lake would be better. Just a little bit.
It's okay, you're doing great, honey.
Just be calm and do it very gently.
Be calm.
Yeah, be very calm. Think bee, like the movie.
Good, Sassy.
Oh, hang on, it's gonna fall
No,
over.
So hold the box. Get over here
Yep,
and hold the box.
Uh-oh.
Just hold the box for
Hold
her.
the box. Think bee.
Thinking bee. Uh-oh. You switched 2 of them at the
It's
bottom.
okay.
At the
It's-
side.
She's fine. Good job.
Thank you.
Gentle.
For not knowing what I'm doing a good job.
You
Yeah.
are.
Perfect. I'll back away again. And then here, do you want to install an empty one?
Give me a second. They're a little mad, so I'm going to back away for them.
What are those called, honey?
This is called a nuke. It's very painful when you get stung, so try not to get stung while it's stung.
She got nuked by bees.
What are these called?
I have,
Flow frames.
Flow frames.
yeah, so the frames,
Go ahead and set it in there, Turtle.
the bees build their nest structure around the edge.
This is called a brood box.
My
Bottom
pants
box.
are
It's called a
not.
what, honey bun?
This is called a brood box. We will add on the video when we're adding on the flow super. But the brood box is just where the bees have their babies and, live.
Yeah,
Isaac,
so
can you
that's
hand me
where
another frame?
That's where the eggs are. Are you sure it'll fit another? Or do you want to just
It'll
make
fit
it?
another. They like to be cramped close together.
Oh, they're kind of getting mad, it seems like.
They are mad. Are you sure I didn't buy Russian bees?
Are Russian bees angrier?
Yes.
we
Italian
order-
bees are supposed to be nice.
Italian. Aw.
Kaiser, flow frame, please.
Then I
My
think,
ankle is swelling up, so I'm gonna hurry this up so then I can put something on it. Because my ankle is numb with pain.
Sauce, there's a bee on your hat.
It's okay.
I know. I'm calling him Frank. Hello.
Be friends with Frank.
Don't sting me, don't sting me, don't sting me.
Do you want this?
I'm not a bee enemy. I would like the excluder.
So this thing, the holes are so that the queen bee cannot pass through them.
And may I also have the bottom lid? The bottom lid.
And then we add a thing, we're going to, in a future video, add a thing called a super, which will, oh, you just switched
It's
to,
it's
all right. Which is where the bees will keep their honey and where we can extract their honey.
And then this is how you come check on your bees. You'll pull the cap out, and then that's how you check on your bees and feed them in winter. And it looks like I have 2 ankles on my foot. Can I please have that roof now?
Yep.
And now it's really nice that we saw the queen. What we're going to call the queen, let's call her
Marie
Lily.
No,
Lily?
Marie Antoinette.
Now Lily. How about Bloody Mary?
No, let them eat cake.
Guys, I would like help with this lid. Okay, please just keep the bottom things
Here,
level.
right there, it's perfectly aligned. Man, that is a lot of skin showing. Hang on. No, here, give me it on my end and I'll line it up, okay?
The roof?
Uh-oh, I see that.
Just hold still, Kaiser.
No, give me my end. You walk over to that side and line them up.
This is the, I should have faced it the other way.
It's fine.
Okay,
I'm good.
I'm good.
We good?
Yep.
Yay!
Okay, now what we're
Yay.
going to do is, there's still quite a few bees left in here. Some of them are dead. So what we're going to do is I'm going to place this near the entrance of the hive.
Yeah,
So
the
then
entrance is on that other side. So hopefully they can figure it out.
So then they'll get all ready.
Oh, man.
And now we got bees. And I feel so bad for our dog right now. He has many stings on his nose, so he's rolling in the grass trying to get them off. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, beehive. So there will be future videos on this and how it all works. But thank you
now.
very much for watching. And we got bees. And see you in the next one.